Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BANG token. Now the BANG token is trending #1 on DEX Screener right now, doing very well. They might be trending on DEX Tools as well. Actually it doesn't say, but they are listed on DEX Tools. But yeah, trending #1 right now on a DEX Screener. This is a Solana meme coin. These Solana meme coins are very popular these days, a whole bunch of them. Actually on DEX Tools right now is the Book of Missing Out is trending #1. I just uploaded a video on that, so check that token out on my channel. That one's doing very well. But today we're going to go over the BANG token, ticker symbol BANG. In just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, you can find this token on SolScan. Name of the token is BANG, and ticker symbol is also BANG. 9 decimal places on this token. Their official webpage is banghub.club. And they have a current supply of 20,999,994.16 tokens. They also have a Telegram you can follow at Bang on Sol Labs. And then their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there as usual, so you guys can easily find this project, at SOL.BANG. So yes, you can find this token on SolScan. So since this is a Solana token, you can get this token by funding your Phantom wallet or Solflare, Trust wallet, Coin98, Coinbase wallet, MetaMask wallet, whatever Sol wallet you want to fund with Sol. Fund that wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for the BANG token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, banghub.club. Now you may have to set slippage if there's taxes. Doesn't say anything about taxes on here. On their webpage, and I think initially, here's what I think, because they mentioned AVAX a couple times on their webpage, that I believe that they were going to initially launch this token on AVAX, and maybe they realized Solana is way more popular these days, and then launched it on Solana because it says AVAX a bunch of times on their page. Unless it's cross-chain, which I don't think it is. It could be, but yeah, like even in their phase 2 of their roadmap, it says Avalanche trending, and it says Snow Trace update. So basically, if you're going to go through their roadmap, I would just change that to SolScan and Raydium, and so yeah, it says BANG, the ultimate AVAX BANG coin. So yes, I think they initially were going to launch on Avalanche, but then decided to change it to a BANG because the pool actually was just created 2 hours and 5 minutes ago, according to DEX Screener, for this BANG token. And there has been a token named Wang, who is Peng's best friend, and then there is a BANG, BENG, which was another one, and now we have this one, which is like a duck, named a BANG. So very similar names. And I mean, I guess they made the right choice of going with Solana because they're trending #1 on DEX Screener. It says they're up 1,638% in the past 2 hours since the pool was created. So they're doing pretty well here. Their Telegram at Bang on Solana has 378 subscribers so far. You can find the contract address on that Telegram and a link to their webpage, and you can also preview the Telegram channel before joining, but that's a great place to find updates regarding this project. On their webpage, it says, Bang, the ultimate meme combined with the latest technology. Bang will be the new meta for everyone who missed Pepe 2.0, etc. Then they have a link to their chart, a link to Raydium. So most likely in the future, you'll also be able to get this token off Jupiter and Orca. It says total supply, 100 million tokens. So their roadmap, phase 1, contract deployment, 10,000 holders, snow trace update. So I would say Sol Scan update. And then Dex Tools update. Phase 2, avalanche trending, so Solana trending basically. Influencer partnerships, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, YouTube videos. Phase 3, Twitter Spaces, Chinese community expansion, and billboards. So not much utility, basically just a lot of like advertising and stuff like that, but very much just a meme token with a duck with some goggles. And he's like, he kind of looks like a pilot. I don't know what's going on with a duck here, but anyways, price right now is around 10 cents per token. Says it's up 1,700%. I mean, obviously that price is going to fluctuate because this token is all over the place right now. And it says they have a market cap of $2.13 million, $500,000 liquidity in Raydium, $500,960. They already have 4,170 holders, and the pool was just created a couple hours ago, so they're doing very well. 24-hour trading volume, $10.12 million. Circulating supply here is 21 million tokens, and that is also the total supply. So that I think the web page is wrong here where it says, yeah, they need to update their web page because it looks like old information about an AVAX token that they were going to create, and then they changed it probably last minute. And yeah, so they have 1.3 thousand pooled Sol and Raydium, which is equivalent to 2.61 million pooled Bang tokens. They have a 65 out of 99 DEX score, and they have a quick audit on here. It says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So that is a quick audit from Quick Intel Security that you can find on Dex Tools. Keep in mind that's just a quick audit. It is not a full audit. And you should always do your own research and look out for full audits before investing in anything. And besides that, go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.